Ooh.
Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and keeping warm. I wanted to come on and do a quick video. I've been meaning to do this for ages and I've decided today's the day. I'm going to come on, do a quick video and try out my new Pandora jewellery cleaning kit. So if you watched my last video, you'll see that this was a free gift as part of being a member of the Pandora Club. So it's a Pandora jewellery care kit. I've been wanting to do something about these hoops for ages. If you look at them, you can see they're really tarnished really quite quickly. So I thought they're the perfect ones to try. So maybe I'll do one in the kit and one not in the kit, and then I can show you comparison. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Maybe I'll do that. And so in the kit, it comes with the solution, the cleaning cloth, and the little brush. So I was looking at the instructions and I thought these are the perfect thing to try. So I think I will. I've just answered my own question. I'm going to do one in the kit and one out, and we'll see how they compare once they're clean. Sorry, that's the dog. She decided to come and see what I'm doing. So this was I opened it to show you the other day. Take this lid off. This was the solution. So it's blue colour. Has this little basket. So I'm going to pop one of the earrings in. And I'm going to leave it in there. Not sure how long you have to leave it. I mean, I could sit and talk to you for a minute or two and see if anything happens, or I could leave it and come back. I think I'll leave it for a few minutes and I'll come back to you. So this has now been in here for 2 minutes, so I've just timed that 2 minutes. Then take it out and we'll see what's happened, if it's done anything. So a bit of tissue. Pop it on the tissue. Give it a little, dry it off. Solution off it. Dry it off first. Oh, the dog's making a noise now. I'll give it a little brush. Oh, I think it does look a bit cleaner. Get the cloth. Be careful I don't spill it. Put the lid on it. Oh look, you can see where I've just given that a quick rub on the cloth, you can see the black tarnish coming off. Oh look. Look at that. Oh, these might be brand new again now, because I was surprised at how quickly these ones tarnished. I mean, I do like the tarnished look of the Pandora jewellery, but these ones I felt just tarnished too much. I don't know if it's where I had them in my jewellery box for a little while, where I didn't wear them for a bit. Look at that. I could sort of feel rubbing on the pattern there. So that's, look, you can see that on the black. That's much cleaner now, and that is literally 2 minutes. I stopped the tape for 2 minutes. Tape, it's not tape, is it? But you know what I mean. Stopped it for 2 minutes, and that is literally all I've done. So that really shows how cleaned up that is. Oh, I'm really impressed with that actually. So yeah, it's worth a go. So I'm going to do the other one then, and then I've got brand new looking, look, see the difference? A bit hard to see with the light, but that's really sparkling again now. That didn't take much effort at all, did it? In fact, I could probably give it a bit more of a go. So that's the other one, the tarnished one. This is the new one. Yeah, pleased with that. So that's the free kit that you get when you join the Pandora Club. So it's well worth a freebie, that is. And even if you had to buy it, I think that's definitely worth it to get your jewellery nice and sparkly again. So give me a comment down below. A couple of you said that you've also got the kit but you've not used it either. So maybe this might inspire you to give it a go. It shows you how easy it was. Let me know if you've used yours. And let me know if you've got anything in the new collection. There's some new Cinderella charms out there and those lovely Muranos that I talked about last time. So give me a comment. I always do try and get back to you, ladies. Thanks for watching, and if you like, please give me a subscribe. Bye for now.